Today I'm going to show you how to use Clickup to supercharge your client process, and you're going to want to stick around for this. Hey y'all, I'm Autumn Evans, strategic branding and website designer. I work for service providers and female entrepreneurs who want to elevate their brand to turn heads and open wallets. I'm sharing with you my top tricks and tips for you to do the same. So let's go. If you have not already, go ahead and click like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get a notification when I release a new video. I'm telling you all the tips and tricks for both the techie and the design side of your business. You're not going to want to miss them. So today I'm going to show you a trick in Clickup. So if you have Clickup, go get it. I mean, seriously, it's like the best. I have a couple of videos about Clickup. You can look at those. I should have a link that pops up in the corner, and also I'll have a link in the description. Clickup is by far my best friend. And so I want to show you how to use Clickup so that you don't ever lose a request from your clients. So download the Clickup extension. So Google Clickup Chrome extension, and this will show up. You want to install the Chrome extension. And so I already have it installed, but if you do not have it installed, you will come up here and this button will say to install, and then you'll sign in on the app, and then it shows up right here. It also shows up in the corner of your pages right here, but my absolute favorite place that it shows up will be in your email, like if you have Gmail. So if you have Gmail, it will show up in the email. So I've got an email up that a client has sent me a request to do some keyword research on her website. So I have this little button right here, and as you can see, this has already shown up. Now this shows up after I've already done it. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on this little add to Clickup button. And that purple like loading thing that just happened, it's taking an image of your email and it will populate it inside of Clickup, so you don't have to go back and forth between your email to remember what they said. It will automatically create an image, and I'm going to show you that. So you will do a task, and you can create a new task. And then in this, you can change the space. You choose the destination. So I'm going to put it into the right space under the right list. And you can add some more description right here. This is my favorite part. This right here is my favorite part. All right, you can add a due date. So you can go through here and say, I want to do this on Monday. And see, it says due Monday. And then you can assign it to the person. So if you have like an assistant that helps you, you can assign it to them. Of course, I would assign it to me. And then you will click create new task. Now I've already done this, so I'm going to show you what happens in Clickup when you create the task. All right, so I'm in Clickup under that client, and as you can see, there is a keywords task with an attachment. If you click on that, it says you attached an email. You can click on this. Look, it took a complete snapshot of that email. You've set a due date, so it's going to show up in your inbox. So if I go like next on here, and see, it's right here, keywords. It's due on Monday, so it's under next week. But it'll automatically remind you. If you have a reminder set up, it'll send you an email. This is the perfect solution because now you won't forget if something comes up. And in the service-based business, you're always getting requests from your clients if you're and so this is a good way to keep track of everything without having like a ticket log system. You can just use your email and track it in Clickup. So I really hope that this helped you. If it did, go ahead and like and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll get tips just like this every single week.